In every corner of our planet, animals possess abilities that seem impossible, yet they're utterly real. These are not superpowers from comic books, but extraordinary adaptations forged over millions of years of evolution. Today, we dive into nature's most astonishing abilities, where survival hinges on speed, stealth, intelligence, and sometimes what seems like pure magic. Meet nature's illusionists. The chameleon doesn't just change color to hide, it transforms to communicate, to threaten rivals, even to regulate its body temperature. With over 150 species worldwide, each has mastered the art of becoming invisible in its own environment. But the true shapeshifter of the animal kingdom is the octopus. In the blink of an eye, it can mimic not just color, but texture, transforming smooth skin into rocky ridges or swaying seaweed. This isn't magic, it's neuroscience in action, controlled by a brain that's as alien as it is brilliant, with specialized cells called chromatophores responding faster than conscious thought. Some animals don't just adapt to their environment, they reshape it entirely. The beaver is a landscape architect, whose dams can stretch hundreds of feet, creating wetlands that support entire ecosystems. Beneath the African savanna, termites construct towering cities with built-in climate control, channeling air through elaborate tunnels to maintain constant temperature and humidity without electricity or technology. And high in the canopy, the weaverbird ties thousands of knots with nothing but its beak, creating suspended fortresses that can weather monsoons. These aren't just shelters. They're masterworks of engineering that entire communities depend on. But perhaps nature's greatest superpower isn't strength or speed. It's love. For 2 months, male emperor penguins stand motionless in Antarctic darkness, temperatures plunging to -40 degrees, protecting a single egg balanced on their feet. No food, no shelter, just unwavering dedication. In the elephant kingdom, grandmothers lead with wisdom accumulated over decades, teaching the young where to find water in drought, how to mourn the dead, how to survive. Even the thumbnail-sized poison dart frog becomes a hero, carrying each fragile tadpole up trees and into the canopy, placing them in tiny water-filled plants, then returning again and again to feed them with unfertilized eggs. One devoted parent, dozens of deadly journeys. Then there are the athletes, the ones who rewrite the laws of physics. The cheetah accelerates from 0 to 70 miles per hour in 3 seconds. Its body, a perfect machine of muscle, bone, and balance. The mantis shrimp throws a punch that boils the water around it, moving so fast it creates light. If a human could punch with proportional force, we could send a baseball into orbit. And in total darkness, bats paint the world in sound, their echolocation so precise they can detect a single hair moving in the night. From the octopus that disappears before your eyes to the termite city beneath your feet, from the penguin father freezing in the dark to the cheetah blurring across the plains, these superpowers tell a story, not just of survival, but of the endless creativity of life itself. As we witness these extraordinary abilities, we face a simple truth. Every species we lose takes its miracles with it. Protecting the animal kingdom isn't sentimentality. It's preserving 4 billion years of nature's greatest innovations. The superpowers are real. The question is, will they still be here for the next generation to marvel at?